Hello, how are you guys? How did you like this transition? Isn't it a nice idea? Instead of breaking the tiles and doing big jobs, this is a nice, if you're living in a rented house, this is a nice option to bring elegance to the bathroom, or for that matter, any room. Let me show you. So, as you can see, I have raised the curtains to the ceiling, and why not? I don't know who made that rule, or just an understanding that in the bathroom we are going to have curtains starting from here. Why not from the ceiling? I just took it up to make it more elegant. It gives height and it looks beautiful. And I have put 3 types of curtains. Behind me is the busy pattern. Over here there's a bit of plain, and then I've added some thick one. There's a shower cubicle behind it, and I didn't want it to show this, so I covered it with this curtain going that way. So I took the curtain up to the ceiling just to give it the elegance that a bathroom should be given. It's a place where we spend some time, so I think we should also give it attention to bring elegance to it, which should be pleasing to the eye. Another thing, I have placed some candles here just to create some ambience. Why not? You know, candles with nice smell. I have put an organizer, and I have put the nail clippers, cute things like cuticles, cotton pads to clean the makeup. I've just put them here. It has actually made the counter look much more neater. And the other products that I would be needing, like my hair products and all those, that I have put them in an organizer and put them in the shelf under the sink. So this is my transition. Do leave your comments, how do you like it, and if you would like to do something like this. And also, if you want, you can always message me, send me pictures, and I can guide you how to do it. I added this pink color because I wanted to add some color to the bathroom. I was sick and tired of just those neutral colors. I just wanted to add some color, a pop of color. And this is a softer one which I won't get tired soon. So I can keep it for as long as I want. And if I want, I can take it with me to any other room. So have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.